get the lighting right. Hi guys, how are you? How's it going? Look at the head in me, in all honesty. Like, you can clearly tell how my day is going just from my head. I'm knackered. I'm absolutely exhausted. I'm so tired that I'm running on fumes, but the fumes are pushing me further. So my car is broke, my kids are ill, and I decided I'm going to switch around my haul because there's just an awful lot going on in my haul. So I decided yesterday I was going to move things. So I'll show you what I've done and what I'm about to do. So, oh, better put some light on the matter. So this is my haul. The bins normally aren't there. I'll move them now in a second. But this thing here was kind of placed over here, and I had these two shoe boxes in that corner there, which just didn't make a lot of sense. So I've moved the shoes here, moved the unit, and now I'm about to put up a coat rack. And I think I'm going to put that here. I'm hoping, like just in this area here. And I've got some of them, what is it, they're reusable hooks, and I'm thinking I might stick some hooks here just so that the kids can hang things off here and here. Or maybe do I put the coat hanger here and put the bag hangers over here? Oh, decisions guys, decisions. I'm not sure. And I need to paint the walls as well. So I had to walk the kids, or one of them, to school. The other one's upstairs asleep. And yeah, I had to walk like an hour to nursery. My neighbour had to come in and mind this one. And I'm just like, oh my god. I'm just so tired guys, honestly. But we're going to do this. I'm going to do these things. I don't know how I'm going to do it or where I should put them. But I feel now that we're not moving out of this house, I need storage. I need things to be in proper places. Things can't be just thrown around the place. So lads, what am I going to do? I'll show you what I bought this morning as well. I went to Wilko's. So I went to Wilko's this morning and I picked up this for the coat hanger things. Then I also got some Gorilla Glue because mine is in storage and I can't get to the storage unit. I got some of these putty knives because I have holes in the wall that need to be filled. These are the yolks I'm on about. They're these damage-free. These are the Wilko ones, not the designer label ones. I can't remember what they are. I also got a set of drill bits because I can't find mine. Also got some sugar soap wipes to wash down the walls with. I got 2 packets of them. I got Saoirse's. I also got these because the walls we have are plasterboard, but then they go into concrete. So I'm hoping that these are big enough that I can actually get to the concrete because nothing stays on my walls. I also had to pick up, you get these little bags in Wilko's where you can fill them up for like £3. Well, I didn't really need anything else, so I only bought 2. Yes, they were £3 for the 2. Because I was like, I don't know if they'll work. Plus I also got some quick drying poly filler. And yeah, that is it. That's all I got this morning. But all of that was still like £50. And I was like, damn, that's still a lot. But yeah, I'm going to do some DIY today by the looks of things. So after that, I've put up the coat hanger. I realised I have the wrong screws. The screws I had were too long and were piercing the wall, the other side of it. So I was like, great. So now I'm on my way to B&Q to see what they have. It's a fair walk, so I'll be a while. Okay, so I did it. I finally put it up. Guys, it was a mess. It was an actual mess. This isn't even the first hole. I had to like putty filler down here. There is a particular type of drywall anchor apparently that I didn't know about. I thought it was the ones that kind of, you know, once you push them in, the kind of clasps kind of come out. Turns out that's not it. It's a different one. And I went to B&Q and there was nobody there to help me. So then I went to Wickes because I was like, I'm not going back to B&Q. And the man in there very kindly helped me and I got the right one. So I was very happy about that. And this is now on and it's sturdy. It's not moving. Yes, I did it. Didn't put the 2 hooks up yet though. But I have the bags. That's my shopping bags that I use. And the boys' shoes. And behind here, I putty fillered all the walls. There's no holes left. I'm just waiting for them to 100% dry down, and then I'm going to put some magnolia paint over it, wash the walls. I got the sugar soap wipes, and I'm going to do that. And then I have 2 more hooks that I want to put somewhere. But you see, I thought there wouldn't be enough space there for the coats and not the bags, but the bags seem to fit in 2. So I'm like, oh, who's this? Oh, thank you, baby. Oh, lovely. Oh, thank you. Aren't you a good girl?
Yes. I'll see you later.
Okay, see you later. Love you.
Marthalla, if for you.
Thank you. Oh, she's so cute. So what was I saying? Yeah, so I have 2 more hooks. The only thing is I don't know where to put the things. Is it a bad idea to put hooks on the back of the door? Because what I want to do is I want to take half the coats off this, because our house just seems to be full of coats, and put them somewhere else. Because I swear, like, our bathroom feels like Narnia at the minute, because you walk in and it's just like, ooh, coats, 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 coats. I need to figure this one out. Any ideas, guys, in the suggestion box?